guys, I'm Vinayak from niftinayak.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about a strategy which one can implement easily because the risk reward is totally in the favor of the trader. So don't forget to watch this video till the end so that you understand totally. I have explained each and everything in this video. Before I start, let me just give you an highlight about what trading is. See, trading at the end of the day is a game of probability. It is not certainty. No matter what analysis you do, whether you do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or whatever, in the end, it is just a game of probability. Nobody can for sure tell you that Nifty is going to fall or Nifty is going to go up or whatever. Yes, you can come out with the analysis and tell that this might happen. But as a trader, it is your responsibility to manage the risk when things go in the reverse way. And when a person is a trader, we usually have a short term view. And in short term, it is very difficult to judge the direction of the market. And if market works the way you think, you make a profit. If the market doesn't behave the way you want it to behave, then you will be obviously making a loss. And it should happen in a time frame. As a FNO trader, let's say for this week I am expecting market to fall. And if market does not fall till Thursday, and if market falls on Friday, it's of no use for me. Because Thursday is the expiry, and if markets don't collapse within Thursday, I am going to be in a loss. After that, no matter what happens, it's not going to make any difference to me. On Friday, even if Nifty collapses 5,000 points, it's of total waste. So, whenever you are trading, you take a view. If things work in your favor, tap your back. Otherwise, put an adjustment and come out of a trade with minor profit or minor loss. So, today's strategy, I am going to tell you why I have this view and how I am going to trade trades using this view and what are the adjustments that I am going to do if things go wrong. Okay. So now let me just justify the view what I am having, and it's not necessary that you should also have the same view. Okay. If you agree with the story what I am telling, then you can also go ahead with the trade what I am doing. Otherwise, you can do the trade on the other way. Here the importance is not in coming out with the view. Here the importance is how you take the trade and how you manage that trade. Okay. So for now, I am bearish on the market because we know that market has been rallying continuously for months together. So let me just open the Nifty chart for you. So this is the Nifty daily chart. You can see that Nifty has been rallying continuously from 16,000 to 17,500. Okay, it is, and in fact, from 16,000 to 17,500 has happened in less than 1.5 months. Okay, which I feel that the Nifty is slightly in the overbought zone. You can see the RSI as well. So on the daily, you can see that the RSI is more than 80. So you can just see here. I'll move the mouse outside. So the RSI is 81.78, which also indicates that the Nifty is in a overbought condition. Now let's go to the monthly. So I'll just open the monthly chart. So here you can see that Nifty is continuously closing in green for last 5 months. So even here you can see that the RSI is 80 approximately. Okay. So for last 5 months you can see that everything is a green candle. So green candle means that the close is above the open, which means it is closed in a positive note. Okay. So this month, which is May, it's a green candle. June, July, August. Now September, we have another 7-8 trading sessions, and it looks like even this is going to be a green candle at the moment. Okay. And Nifty is, as I told you, is in a seriously overbought condition. Now, when market has rallied so much, it's obvious that the risk reward is definitely going to be in the favor of the bears, because markets can't continue to rally continuously like this. If markets continuously rally like this, then probably in another 1 or 2 years Nifty will be at 1 lakh, okay, at this rate if it continues, and markets will give you corrections, okay. So what I am trying to capture is, I am trying to capture that correction, and if that correction becomes a trend reversal, then that is going to be another added advantage for him, okay. So that is what I am trying to capture in this strategy. So now let me just give you an overview of the strategy. So in this strategy, what I will do, I will first bet 1 lakh telling that markets will fall, but markets will not fall, it will shoot up. I do an adjustment, come out with the decent profit for that month. In the next month, I will bet 2 lakhs that markets will fall. Again, markets will shoot up. I will do adjustment, come out with a decent profit. In the third month, I will bet 5 lakhs, telling markets will fall. Again, markets will shoot up. I will do adjustments and I will come out with a decent profit. The reason why I am increasing my bet month after month is because now the probability is bending towards me, okay. The probability of me winning is increasing. See, if market has to fall, first it has to go up, okay. If market doesn't go up, how can it fall? For example, if you are on first step, will it hurt if you fall from first step? No, right? If it has to hurt you, then you should fall from at least 10th floor, okay. And if you want to die, you should jump from at least 15th floor. If you jump from first step, you are not going to die. Similarly, markets, if they have to fall drastically, first they have to go up drastically, okay. If the market doesn't go up drastically, then the probability of it falling drastically also will not happen. In news and all these things, we keep seeing, if there is a very bad day in stock market, you might have seen in news and all these things where they tell Mukesh Ambani lost 10 billion of his worth because of Reliance collapse. We saw Adani lost 100 crores of his worth in one day because of Adani stock fall. The reason why they are able to lose is, first they have gained that, okay. So if they had not gained, can they lose that much? No, right? So that's the logic of this market as well. So whenever market is moving higher and higher, the probability of it falling drastically also will be higher, which is what the bet what I am taking. So first time when I lose the bet, the market has gone higher. So now the probability of market falling is more higher. So I increase the bet each and every time, okay. So now let us see what the strategy is. So the strategy what I am going to discuss today is called a put back spread, okay. So now this is how the strategy will look like. So I will be doing this in October series. What we will be doing, we will be buying 2 lots of OTM put and we will be selling 1 lot of ITM put, okay. So this is one set. So the capital required is approximately 17 to 20,000. So if you're planning to deploy 1 lakh, you will have to do 5 sets. If you're planning to deploy 20,000, then you will have to do 1 set. But the minimum capital required is approximately 20,000 for doing this strategy, okay. And when you're doing adjustment, you will need more capital, which I will tell in some time. So now what I am hoping is, now by October, Nifty is going to crash drastically and I am going to make a profit. If that happens, wonderful. So now if Nifty is at 17,585 and I have bought 17,500 put and I have sold 17,600 put, okay. So this is how the payoff graph will look like, and it is a risk defined strategy, okay. So now if my view is correct and if Nifty falls and if it falls and if it comes to 17,000, okay, if it, let's say if it comes to 17,000, then my profit will be approximately 10,000, okay. So 10,000 for a capital of 17,000, 20,000 I take, which is approximately 50,000 if things work in your favor, Okay, if this happens in the first month, wonderful, you have made 50% of your capital. Now let's say Nifty, I was wrong in my view, and Nifty continues to go higher. Don't worry, you don't have to do any adjustment till it is for the first 15 days of the expiry. Means we have taken this trade for October series, so till October 15th we need not do any adjustment. Just deploy this strategy and forget about it till 15th October. So in 15th October, if it has moved higher and if it has come somewhere here, what you do for that monthly expiry, sell some deep OTM call options so that you come out with a decent profit. Okay, let me tell you, I have been doing this from past 3 to 4 months. Okay, and I have been wrong all the 3-4 months continuously, but my bets have been increased every time. Okay, as I told you, see this, when Nifty shot up here, I thought market will fall in this month, which did not happen. It shot up, again it shot up, again it shot up, again it shot up, and again it shot up. But I was able to do correction. I was able to do some adjustment trades and come out profitably. So now let me just show you the trade what I have done for the month of September. So in the month of September, when I did this at the starting of the month, where, let me just delete the adjustment trades. Okay, so this was the trade what I did, where I bought 2 lots of 16600 put and I sold 1 lot of 16700 put. But you know, markets just rallied from 16700, it went up to 17500. Okay, so now I had to do adjustment because half of the month was over. So I did this adjustment where I sold 17600 call and I sold 17600 put. I just increased the put of what I had sold. Okay, so this was the adjustment what I did, and now I have a wide gap. Okay, now again it has come closer to my break-even point, but the probability of market going higher is still lower. So I'll wait for few more days, and if markets tends to go higher, then probably I will have to do further adjustments. Okay. So now if Nifty stays in this range, I will be making a profit of 8,000 rupees, which for the capital what I have deployed, which is approximately 3 lakhs. For 3 lakhs, 8,000 turns out to be approximately 2.5%. I consider it as 2%. Okay. So the moral is, or the logic is, if your view goes wrong, you will be making 2%. If your view is right, then you will be making probably 30-40% of your capital. Okay. So now let me just show you how it works out on Excel and how it will be there for you. So now let's say on first month you deploy 1 lakh. Your view went wrong, you made 2% profit. Next month you deployed 2 lakh. Your view went wrong, you made profit of 2%. Next month you deploy 4 lakh, where your view went wrong, you made a profit of 2%. Then next month, this is what I have done. Okay, now I have deployed 10 lakhs, and even this month it looks like my view is going to go wrong, and I will be making 2%. Next month, that is for the month of October, I will be deploying 20 lakhs, where if things work out, I will be making a profit of approximately 50%. Okay. Now let us see what is the profit which you will be making. Okay. So 2% of 1 lakh is 2000. 2% of 2 lakh is 4000. Okay. 2% of 4 lakh is 8000. 2% of 10 lakh is 20,000. Then 50% of 20 lakh will be 10 lakh. 10 lakh, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 lakh. So now the profit what you will be making will be approximately 10 lakh 52,000. For the capital of 20 lakh for the period of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6 months. Okay. So in 5 to 6 months, for 20 lakh capital, if you can make 10 lakh, which turns out to be 50%. And I feel it is a wonderful return what you can expect. Okay. 50% for 6 months is a wonderful return of investment. Okay. This is what I have been doing. But first month I deployed 1 lakh, it did not work. Now I have done this. Now for the month of October, I will be doing this. So even if October things don't work, I will be putting an adjustment trade and I will be making 2%. And for the next month, I will be probably deploying 25 lakhs. Okay. So this is the logic what I am having for using this strategy. And let me tell you, it is a wonderful strategy. Yes, as I told you, there will be a month where Nifty will crash. Okay. It may happen in the month of October, it may happen in the November, December, whatever, but it will happen. Okay. So now as Nifty increases, the probability of it falling is also going to increase. So now if you do this consistently month after month after month, it's just a matter of time where Nifty will crash and you will be making this 50% profit. Okay. So this is the strategy what I am suggesting, and in fact I have done this for most of my clients and in my accounts as well. So I hope you guys like the strategy and the adjustments what we discussed in this video. Do like, share and subscribe so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.